baby, yes.
Do you say hi?
Good girl. What you doing? You eating a cupcake? Yeah. What color's the frosting? What color's the frosting? What color is the frosting? White. Good job. And what color is the cupcake? Black. Sure. Are you going to eat it?
Oh no.
Good job. They're good, huh? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop it because I don't want to record it for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna take pictures, so I don't know if it does volume on here, but I can get pictures of her eating it.
Are you going to eat it?
Is that good? You could smush it. You eat it? Take a bite. Can you take a bite? Take a bite.
If your child has been prescribed Risperdal or Risperdal for depression, anxiety, or ADHD, you may be entitled to financial compensation. Contact Thomas J. Henry Injury Attorneys now for a free case review. Call 888-956-8000
Blue? Did you find a blue sprinkle? Yes, you did. Good job.
Do you want me to record that so you can cook?
Sure. I didn't know if you wanted to still take pictures.
I can do both. What are you doing? Uh-oh. She's destroying the cupcake, Mike.
These things are really difficult to see to start with. When we can see them, they're really difficult to pick with a pair of tweezers. And in many cases, they're so small that you can use the body. So it's very difficult to see them and to do something about it.
You made it, but it still sounds good to you?
To me, no, not so much. I've been eating the taquito.
So you can multitask.
Those taquitos aren't very filling.
No.
It's no longer a cupcake.
Oh, goodness, Charles, what did you do?
Mike, you no longer have a cupcake.
It's okay.
She did as a baby will do.
That's fine.
Kathy.
No throwing. You eat it. Rhiannon. Okay, so you're done. Rhiannon.
Kathy. She's throwing the cupcake on the floor.
Stop. You are done. Done.
Alright, how do I shut this off?
Good.